Greetings, travelers, fence fixers. We're here at Red Kelly's Cottage, Lenoir City, Tennessee. We got this gate. I want to show you its features. This is the existing gate. We're going to adjust it, replace a lot of it, but I wanted to show you before we get started. Now, I'm not going to show you every nail I put in it. We're going to show you this. And then next video, I'll show you it's completed. We've got a couple things going on here. Let me show you. Now we've got some major sagging going on here. It's a wide gate, and with all the hardware and stuff on it, it's pretty heavy. And it's basically not really framed right. Now they have these brackets here. You can buy a fence kit where you put this metal bracket to make everything square and convenient for the homeowner to just slap it together. But really, a gate needs a support member from the hinge side bottom to the top at that angle. Not this way, but from the bottom hinge on the framing should come up, and that holds the weight. We got a variety of locks and systems here over the years. Got a handle and old actuator there. There's even a deadbolt that was on it. That's all going away. We'll use some of it. This post here is pretty sturdy. I was thinking about changing the hinge side, but this side has an advantage because it's kind of connected to the building. And if you can, we'll have to tighten this up, but if you can get support off the building, transfer the weight out to the hinge post, we'll have to bring that in, but if you can connect that 2x4 to the building, that gives it a lot of strength. What's going on with this hinge? Well, that's a kind of an odd hinge. And down here, got a pretty beefy hinge, modern stainless, got O-rings in it. That's a nice strong hinge. We'll keep that. Now, with a big gate like this or door, if it's big and it's heavy and it's wide, add another hinge. So this has two hinges. We'll maybe use this hinge in the middle of our new gate, and I have some new hinges for the top and the bottom. That gives it a lot of strength if you add a hinge. If you look on some of your doors in your house, your front door, 36-inch door, it's heavy, it's got glass, whatever. It's got 3 hinges. The doors in your house, hollow core doors, like your closet and stuff, are 2 hinges. So our main concern also is the base or threshold is not level. And I have some concrete I'm going to fill around here and try to level the what I call threshold, the bottom part. If that's level and the hinge side is plumb straight, that's a good start on your gate. If the striker side over here is off a little bit, you can adjust the framing for that. But you want a strong hinge side and a level bottom. We all love a level bottom. Now over here, what I'll do is you can see the framing has come away from the building. We'll do the tighten up. Archie Bell and the Drells. We'll do the tighten up, bring this in tight, maybe add a plate, get that nice and strong. Tighten this up. The bottom is not too bad. Want to tighten this up and tighten that up. Now to do this, I'll cut the screws or whatever holding it together, and I'll cut a 2x4 and temporarily tack it up here, and it'll be about that much longer than this distance. And as I hammer it down, it'll push this post towards this 2x4 and then screw it all together. So we get a 2x4 up here and wedge it down in there to force that post after it's unhooked from these panels in the 2x4s, and we'll force it over and screw it, force this to the wall, screw it with a plate, and that'll give us a nice sturdy hinge side post. And then we'll go ahead and we'll reframe this. I've got new panels. Some of this stuff we'll reuse. The brackets, they're gone. Get them out of here. Don't need them. Other thing too is when you're selecting wood for your gate, try to get some dry wood that's light. This stuff I got here is still growing. It's pretty wet. But we have some new panels. It's going to stand out a little bit on the outside, but that's the way it goes. And so I wanted to show you before, and then we'll come back with the after. All right, from Red Kelly's, we'll see you.